Part 5 of our Indian Constitution. Part 5 of our Indian Constitution deals about the Union Executive, the Union Government. In this Union, Chapter 1, Article 52 to 62 deals about the President of India. The first citizen of India deals, which article deals? Article 52 to 62 in our Indian Constitution, Chapter 1. According to Article 52, the President of India, it deals about the President of India. Here must be the President of India. Article 53. According to Article 53, executive powers of the Union. Union government can exercise all its powers in the name of President of India. Can exercise the name of President of India. Real executive powers exercised by the Prime Minister of India. Nominal executive powers exercised by the President of India. So, state can exercise almost all the executive functions on behalf of President of India according to Article 53. Article 54. Election of the President. Our President of India can be elected through Electoral College. According to Article 55. Manner of election of President. Article 56. The term of office of the President. Duration of the President is 5 years. There is possibility to re-elect according to Constitution. There is provision to re-elect according to Constitution. Article 56 deals about that. Article 57. Eligibility of President of India. Eligibility criteria. He must be citizen of India. He should not hold any government office, and he should not commit any crime or any offence against him, and he should have whatever eligibility criteria which was mentioned according to Union Legislature to elect our Indian President, that must be eligible by the President of India. Article 58. Qualifications for election as President. What are the qualifications required to elect as President of India? Article 59. Conditions of President's office. Conditions of President office. Article 60. Oath of affirmation by the President. Our President of India, he takes his oath of affirmation under the Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Article 61. Procedure for impeachment of the President. Till today, as of now, no President can be removed. No President impeached by the Union Legislature. Article 62. Time of holding election to fill vacancy in the office of President. If there is any vacancy in President of India position, then automatically a Vice President may elect as President of India. If there is a vacancy in President and Vice President, in this moment, Supreme Court Chief Justice may act as the President of India.